What's up, guys? Kime with Nova Gas here. Today I'm your Vienna gas guy, installing this log set right here and that burner in that fireplace. I told you I'd get better at pointing. Look at this. I'm getting really good. All right, so here we are running a gas line to said fireplace. We're gonna run from our utility room. We're gonna tap into that gas line and we're going to run it along that ductwork. Outside here is where the fun begins, because we get to play in some holly bushes. Holly bushes I had to trim to get this gas line in there. So once I get around the pokies, we run it up top there and down and into our fireplace. So I will be in touch with you guys in about an hour after I run the gas line and show you the log set. Until then, if you need any help, give me a call, 703-424-5467. I will do this in your home. All right, bye.